Changing your primary email on Airmeet is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Airmeet platform by entering your credentials. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to change the primary email. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled email preferences or account information. Click on this option to proceed to the email settings. Step 4. Update your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering the new email address, look for a Save or Update button and click it. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm the change. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email on Airmeet will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Airmeet support for assistance.